solutions for GATE 2010 ECE branch. Topic we are discussing is electron devices. We are discussing a series of 2 marks questions. This is the last question asked, fifth one. Statement for linked answer questions. Fourth we are discussing. The silicon sample with unit cross-sectional area is shown, which is in thermal equilibrium. And the information given is T is equal to 300 degree Kelvin, electron charge is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs, thermal voltage is 26 millivolts, and electron mobility is 1350 centimeter square per volt second. Calculate the magnitude of electron drift current density at x is equal to 0.5 micrometers. This is given sample with doping concentration as Nd. Nd is nothing but donor concentration, which makes a semiconductor into N-type. So the given semiconductor is N-type semiconductor with donor concentration as 10 power 16 per centimeter cube, and the applied voltage for this one is 1 volt, and the semiconductor is under thermal equilibrium. The length of semiconductor is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1 micrometer. If you are applying 1 volt for this semiconductor, what will be the magnitude of drift current density at x is equal to 0.5 micrometers? Magnitude of electron drift velocity at x is equal to 0.5 micrometers is, the right answer is A, 2.16 into 10 power 4 ampere per centimeter square. So since the sample is in thermal equilibrium, we can calculate the electric field, which is constant throughout the semiconductor. Electric field is nothing but V by x. That V and x can be taken at any point of time. V, if you are taking 1 volt, which is going to be at x is equal to 1 micrometer. Look at this one. 1 volt is applied, that is going to be from this point to this point. So the 1 volt is going to be dropping across this semiconductor. If you are taking entire semiconductor, total 1 volt you will get. If you take only half of the semiconductor, that is x is equal to 0.5 micrometers, the voltage distribution is nothing but only 0.5 volts. So the voltage is distributed across this semiconductor, since semiconductor is acting as a resistor. So E is equal to V by x. V is 1 volt by 1 micrometer, which is nothing but 10 power 6 volt per meter. Electric field is 10 power 6 volt per meter, which is nothing but 10 kilovolts per centimeter. Simply you are converting meters into centimeters, so that it is 10 kilovolts, that is 10 power 4 volt per centimeter. And this electric field is constant. You can calculate in another way also. E is equal to V by x. V is 0.5 volts at x is equal to 0.5 micrometers. So again you will get the same answer. So electric field is constant throughout the semiconductor. Once electric field is calculated, we can calculate drift current density. Electron drift current density for N-type semiconductor is J drift is approximately equal to sigma n into electric field. Sigma n is conductivity of N-type. The equation for conductivity of N-type is NQ mu n. N is nothing but concentration of electrons. Here N-type semiconductor, N is approximately equal to Nd, donor concentration. So we can write sigma n is equal to Nd into Q into mu n into electric field. So that Nd is 10 power 16 into Q is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into mu n is given as 1350 into 10 into 10 power 3. J drift is 2.16 into 10 power 4 ampere per centimeter square. So drift current density is 2.16 into 10 power 4 ampere per centimeter square. The correct answer for the given question is A, 2.16 into 10 power 4 ampere per centimeter square.